Hi, I'm Dekock. I'm a 20-year-old songwriter and drummer from South Africa in the UK. I play with these 5B Collision Reach series, and I write and play in a Liverpool-based band called Decock. I've been playing for over 9 years and been playing professionally for 2. I'm currently studying a music degree at the Liverpool Institute of Performing Arts and have been studying and playing there as a multi-instrumentalist, a drummer and a songwriter for over 6 months now. I have played many live gigs across the UK in venues such as the Green Door Store in Brighton, the Old Market in Brighton and the Jacaranda in Liverpool, and I'm currently in the midst of recording my first single and EP with my Liverpool-based band called Decock. Here's a clip of me playing in the studio. I love how reliable and dependable Collision are. I'm able to play heavy songs without the fear of my sticks breaking, as they're made of sturdy wood. And equally, they're also light to hold, which helps with me developing my technique. They allow me to play all sorts of styles well and make me look great whilst doing it. I really love the community the brand brings. It has a real networking focus and supports developing artists like myself. This really benefits with me with my career and supports me with my work, as I'm able to grow with the brand while supporting them whilst they support me along the way. I also love the way the sticks look. See, I got these Reach series, I really love the arrow design. Yeah, it's just really cool. I will now demonstrate just how great the sticks are by playing a snippet of my band's upcoming release called Cut It Out. Hope you enjoy. Here we go, about to play Cut It Out. This is Decock, and yeah, hope you enjoy.